and today I really want to make some melting moments. So melting moments is like shortbread, it just has custard powder. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
In a bowl, cream together 125 grams of softened butter and 1/3 cup of icing sugar. Add a half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until it's well combined.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Add 1 cup of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Mix until everything is well combined.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Place the dough mix into some cling wrap and place in the fridge to rest for about 20 minutes.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.
Form small balls of dough with the palm of your hands and flatten out slightly with a fork. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.